But we have this treasure in jars of clay to show that this all-surpassing power is from God and not from us. Do you know that God wants to bring out the best in you regardless of your limitations? Then, come join us on the 14th and 15th of September at the annual Women's Conference of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Lagos Province 35. Medical specialists Dr. Yewande Oshodi and Dr. Biola Akimbode will be there to enlighten us on how to achieve emotional well-being on Friday, 14th of September 2012 at 9 a.m. On Saturday, 15th of September at 8:30 a.m., Reverend Funke Felix Adejumo speaks to us on a new experience as renewed vessels. All events will hold at the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Christ Church, Plot 6, Redemption Crescent, Bagada, Lagos. Other special features include free eye care, free facial treatment, free dental care, personal hygiene tips, and kitchen management on Friday. You can't afford to miss this life-changing event. Registration is 500 Naira only. Be there. God bless you.